Hello everyone, my name is Ariana Garcia. Of the four elements of differentiated instruction, I'll be covering products. First, I wanted to give a small intro to understand differentiated instruction and the main ideas I'll be using from it. This week, we're focusing on teaching learners with special needs. What the quote, fair does not mean equal mean in this instance is that although it may be equal that all students take the same test for the same amount of time, it is not fair for the kids with special needs and that they should be accommodated for. Differentiated instruction is a way of thinking and not a pre-planned list of strategies. It also does not mean extra work for the teacher or the students, but it does require the teacher to emphasize flexibility in thinking, build relationships with their students, and know their strengths, challenges, and interests. Students should understand why other students may be treated differently in order for classroom learning to be fair. For example, if another version or format of the test is given to a learner or learners with a disability, students should understand that this is an accommodation for those students and not unfair treatment. Now that we know how product and differentiated instruction relate, I want to dive deeper into what a product is, what it might look like, and examples of implementing differentiation in product. I am so sorry that these words are getting me so tongue-tied. So what does product mean? A product, in terms of learning, a product is a way for students to demonstrate and apply what they have come to know, understand, and be able to do after an extended period of learning. In other words, products are how students show their knowledge of a topic. Products might look like a test, an evaluation, project, report, interview, performance, essay, or a presentation like I'm doing now. There's many other forms of products. You could be creative with this. The benefits of using differentiation in product. There are three main benefits of using differentiation when teaching learners with special needs. It provides options for students. It allows students to propose their own ideas and their own project, and it makes tests and assignments more accessible. An example of this third bullet point is providing a plain English version of the test or assignment for English learning students. Differentiation is helpful not only for learners with disabilities, but I think all students. Some examples of how to implement differentiation in product. This first one says, give students options of how to express required learning by creating a puppet show, write a letter, or develop a mural with labels. Use rubrics that match and extend students' varied skills. Allow students to work alone or in small groups on their products. Encourage students to create their own product assignments as long as the assignment contains required elements, or by providing a plain English version of the test. And this works for true-false questions, multiple choice, any of that. These are the questions that I created for our quiz. And these were the main references. I also used the video that Professor Davis posted with his video. And that's the end.